Hey everyone, in this video today what we're going to do is evaluate the limit as x goes to 0 of x plus x squared multiplied by sine of 1 over x using the squeeze theorem. Now we're going to begin by splitting this limit up as the limit as x goes to 0 of x plus the limit as x goes to 0 of x squared multiplied by sine of 1 over x. And we're going to evaluate them independently of each other and then bring the result together. So we have the limit as x goes to 0 of x. This is clearly just equal to 0, right? So we have the limit as x goes to 0 of x squared multiplied by sine of 1 over x. Now you might be tempted to distribute the limit as x goes to 0 to x squared and sine of 1 over x, but we can't actually do that. And the reason is because the limit as x goes to 0 of sine of 1 over x doesn't exist. And this unfortunately prevents us from separating the limit of a product. So what we need to do now is use the squeeze theorem to identify what this limit is. What we're going to do is begin by bounding sine of 1 over x. We know that the function sine of 1 over x oscillates between -1 and 1, so we can use this information to write the following inequality. Now what we're going to have to do here is multiply everything by x squared. Now what we're going to do is take the limit of each of these quantities in the inequality as x goes to 0. And evaluate the one on the left hand side and the right hand side. So we have the limit as x goes to 0 of minus x squared. Clearly this just goes to 0, right? And for our upper bound we have the limit as x goes to 0 of x squared, which is also 0. So now notice that this means that the limit as x goes to 0 of x squared multiplied by sine of 1 over x is bounded above and below by 0. And by the squeeze theorem, this means that the limit must be equal to 0. So all we need to do now is put this all together. We have the limit as x goes to 0 of x plus x squared multiplied by sine of 1 over x is equal to 0, which is the final answer to this problem. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, could you please make sure to like and subscribe? I hope you have a great day.